It's 3rd of July 2026. Time is 9:51 a.m. and something new is going to be added in my life journey of the life. That is something I didn't wanted it to come, but it happened. I postponed it 1 year so that I can escape from it, but it catched me again after 1 year. I was at the same position 1 year back as I am today. I passed my 12th, my results were in my hand. My school TC, SLC school living certificate was in my hand. Migration was in my hand. But I didn't took admission in any of institutions to study. I decided to take a drop and to get admission in a better college. But the drop year wasn't that good. I didn't make it that good. And again I am at the same place after 1 year. Means I became 1 year backward. Now I am gonna be taking admission in a very like tier 6 or tier 6-7 college. Category is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, but this college is tier 7 college. And because of my choices and because of my work that I didn't put my 100% in them, I landed there and I have to take admission there now. I'm going to be taking admission in BSc Mathematics. Good subject in a worst college. And so I thought to record because it's a journey. I'm going there because I firstly applied online, then I got a seat allotted there. Then I'm gonna be submitting all the documents. Nothing new documents. All the documents are older, 1 year older. Because I had everything last year, but just I didn't took admission, so the documents were left to me. I don't know whether I will make it public or no. I'm thinking to make it public because JEE phase have been gone and you will see Vande Bharat behind me. It's sunny. It's been too much since I recorded last time. I wanted to record and this is the good day to record, I think. It's too sunny, but I can't take it. What else is that? So I'll be recording the journey and let's see what I'll be doing next 4 years. I will be here for 4 years or no, I don't know. I don't like being in this situation because I feel according to the work I've done, I deserve nothing better than this. But the work I could do have led to me. I could have done, if I could have done better, I would have landed at a very good place. I'm going to accept my seat allocation and then proceed with the admission process and all that. I will be binded by this institution now. I will be registered candidate. I will be not a free student for like The last year I was, like for the 1 year I was, I'll take auto, go to the some place, then from there again another auto, then I will be reach college. So some boys what did that they chose colleges that are near railway station. They will take train from our station and they will land there, and actually they don't have to take train tickets too. So they will manage, like they can travel without money. That's a good decision, but I didn't prefer that because I wanted to the college to be close, as near as it can. So I chose it and I got in the first round of seat allocation because of my marks were comparatively slighter good, but not in the subject that I am choosing. In mathematics it's very bad, but it's okay. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll record something else in the college. Bye.